Matt's Garage. Today's going to be a little different. We're not wrenching, we're wheeling. So come with me, we're going to go to Elbe, Washington. I think it's pronounced that way. It's right next to Mount Ranier, so it should be pretty cool. Get some cool views driving up there. I have never really filmed off-roading, so this isn't going to be like Nate Dirt lifestyle quality off-roading videos. I don't have a drone. I don't even have a spotter. I'm going with somebody who's got a rig and a friend. Maybe they can help take some shots, but it should be interesting. It's super early. I want to get there before it gets crazy. Let's go. All right, we're here at Elbe Trailhead. My buddy Ryan and Karina are joining me. This is his XJ. It's got 35s, Fox shocks, long arms. So I'm definitely going to be the wimp today, but we'll see how it goes. Watching Ryan in his XJ, just the coil spring suspension is just so superior to the leaf springs of the Scout. I'm taking the bypasses as a wussy. There you go. Awesome. Nice, dude. The Cherokee is awesome. It's got rear coils, so it flexes great on the trail. He was hitting the harder stuff. I was taking the wussy trails. The Scout actually didn't do bad. At one point, the transfer case popped out and I didn't see it, so we thought I'd lost clutch. That was a nightmare. But then I just noticed one of the sticks was out. So, but yeah, it's eating it up. There's something going on with the right hub. I'm not sure what's going on, but it's not sounding too angry. So we'll just we'll finish the day wheeling and then I'll figure it out later. One more thing, when we got to the trail, we saw this built sort of Tacoma beater off-roader. We get behind it. Ryan says, look at the front tires. And I'm like, yeah, so what? It's the same as the rear. Yeah, but that's not supposed to look like that. Broke the ball joint clean off. And that's it. I mean, it was a good time. I was shocked at how well the Scout did in two-wheel drive with that Auburn Pro limited slip in the rear. Yeah, it performs well. I have to say, I get a little sketched out taking this 50-year-old rig that's like a classic that I've spent years of my life rebuilding and then putting it in danger like that. It is a pucker factor, you know? So I appreciate Ryan taking me out. It was nice to have a guide who knows the trail out there. It does make me wonder, like, is this how I want to use the Scout? Like, I don't know. And then what am I going to do with the Bronco? So many questions to be answered on future episodes of Matt's Garage. See you next time.